Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a loom band. For that, you will need a rainbow color rubber band, some hooks for if you finish it, you can actually this side you can hook one and the other side you can hook. I have already made a double color one and a single color one. So you're supposed to hook the both ends like this. So first you're supposed to take in color and put it in and twist it and put it in both of your hands at the end so that you have place to put the rest of them. Then you're supposed to take another color and then another color. Like that you have to give different colors so that it looks like a rainbow. Then you have to take the twisted one up. If you don't get it, you can actually use over here and take it. So after there's only two, you're supposed to take another color. Now you have to take the middle part and you're supposed to do it so that you'll get it like this. Then you're supposed to take another color and do it in the purple. So like that you have to do all the colors which are in the middle. You're supposed to take it. Then I'm putting light purple and taking the orange up. Then I'm taking light orange and taking the purple up. Then I'm taking red and taking light orange up. You're supposed to take it down after you do one time. I'm taking orange up. Once you feel like the size is over, you're supposed to take it like this. And you're supposed to tuck it in your another hand if you. I guess it fixed after I do 3 more times. So now I'm taking light blue resin. I'm taking this color. So once you think it fixes you just put your another hand and see. If it does, then take the first one and then put it like this and then take a hook and just put it inside so it stays stiff, and then take another hand, take it like this and do the same thing. But for this it's supposed to take this one and hook it. So now your bracelet is over. Then you can put it in your hand. You can wear it for functions, for your birthday, for your birthday party, for your friend's birthday party, or some party. You can give it in many colors and shapes. So now this is what I made. So if you like this, please subscribe Nayati Rocks and click the bell button. Bye bye.